Hi, I'm Carrie Piper, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about how my website works. So, on my website, I have agendas posted for each of my classes. And what these agendas are is it's an embedded awesome table. So, it's running off of a Google Sheet, but pulling it into a much nicer, hopefully visually pleasing way to view that information. So, I have all of my information that the students might need, the objectives, in this case, the textbook chapters, a link to presentations and activities and homework that they might need to do. So to look at how this works, I'm going to show you my biology one because it's really blank right now. So I was just given this new prep, so I still need to build out the whole thing. Right now, it doesn't look as pretty. There's no pictures. A lot of information is missing, or just not there yet. So let's take a look at what this is running off of. If I go to the spreadsheet, there's three main sheets within this Google Sheet. First off is answers, and that is my entire curriculum. So all the stuff we're going to be doing throughout, eventually, the entire semester. There's a template, which is basically like a messy mail merge. The reason why it's messy is just because it's in HTML programming. So, for example, it's pulling off of the different columns that were in that answer sheet. Some of it has those like emoticons, so that's in there because I liked those pictures. So let's see how this works. If, for example, on the first day when we're talking about the syllabus and lab safety, if I come over, I paste in the presentation that we did. We need to actually do a little bit of HTML. So href equals the target equals link. And we got safety notes and close it off. Okay. So we have that in for notes. I'll fill in the other parts later. But then if we come on over to list, for example, you'll see right now that the nature of biology and ecology, that first unit, it's not very pretty because it doesn't have a picture, and I am a very visual person. So if we come over to my pictures folder, I took this picture of a frog while I was down in Florida. So sounds pretty good for nature of living things. So I'm going to take the shareable link to it. I'll make it so people can actually see the picture. Copy that link, paste it in, and what we really want is the image ID. So I'm going to just grab that, copy, paste. It doesn't actually need to be linked, so I'll remove that link. But now, if we come back to the main spreadsheet, you'll see that things automatically update. So if I just refresh and give it just a second to refresh, there you can see not only the picture, but also the safety notes. So I will have to adjust the crop on that picture, but you can see I didn't have to save anything because it automatically updates and pulls from that spreadsheet live. So I hope that helps you with your planning. It certainly helps me stay organized, but I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Bye.